Hi guys, I'm Madeline at Lakeside Table, and today we are making a sandwich for a picnic. Now this isn't just any old sandwich, this is an ultimate picnic sandwich. And the reason why it's an ultimate picnic sandwich is because the challenge with picnics is that things have a tendency to get squished. Well, this sandwich was made to be squished. First, let's start off with the right kind of bread. Find a crusty bread that's wide but not too thick. Cut it in half horizontally. If it's really thick, pull out some of its interior. Spread one side with pesto and the other side with some homemade garlic herb aioli. Now for your favorite fillings. Use your favorites. I like sliced tomatoes, thinly sliced turkey, ham, avocados, a hearty lettuce that won't get soggy like romaine, pickled red onions, sandwich sliced pickles, and cheddar cheese. Put the other half on and wrap it in plastic wrap. Now that the sandwich is all wrapped up, it can go into the picnic basket at the bottom, and then you can put everything on top, and since the crust is nice and hearty, everything can smush down on it and all the insides will get all cozy and it'll come out perfect. Let's cut into this big guy. This is a great sandwich for a tailgate party or if you've got several people at a picnic. This thing is huge. Look how pretty it is when you cut into it. This is so good and so much flavor. I mean, there's just packed with flavor between the herbs and the aioli. There's a great little zing in here from the pickled onion and the pickles. So good. You've got to take this to your next tailgate party. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here today at Lakeside Table. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And for this recipe and lots more like this, head over to my blog, lakesidetable.com. Thanks again, guys. And until next week, go have fun in your kitchen, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. That was really good.